Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Google Chrome search engine changing to Yahoo. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating Chrome web browser. And then dito lang sa upper right side ay makikita mo dito yung tatlong dots. So click mo lang yan. And then ang susunod ay kailangan mo lang select ang settings. Dito sa settings ay kailangan mo lang select itong search engine. So click mo lang ito. And then dito sa search engine, kung paano ba natin i-change ang Google Chrome into Yahoo. So makikita mo dito yung search engine used in the address bar. And then dito lang sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung arrow na to. So click mo lang yan. And then select mo lang tong Yahoo Philippines. Okay, so kung gusto mo namang i-change to Google, so click mo lang ito. And then click mo lang yan. Ayan, ganun lang po siya kadali. And then, pwede mo naman itong i-manage yung search engine and site search. Click mo lang ito. And then, scroll ka lang. And then, pwede ka nang mag-delete dito ng mga website. Okay? So, click mo lang yan. And then, click mo lang itong delete. Okay? So, ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-fix ang Google Chrome search engine changing to Yahoo. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.